मित्रों, आज इंडिया और टू ब्रदर्स व्लॉग के लिए सबसे बड़ा शुभ दिन है। आज हमको हमारा फर्स्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोडक्ट मिला है। पहले उसको खोलते हैं, उसके बाद दूसरी चीज़ों को जाते हैं।
అన్నాడు కదా ఈరోజు మళ్ళీ unboxing, another video full of unboxing. We have 3 stuff which I'm going to show you guys today. And
we actually ordered a lot of stuff. Hi, I'm back. We actually ordered a lot of stuff, but like I said, everything was in transit. We received all our products today.
almost all our products are here. Few more things are baki hai.
And this is the extra product which we got. I mean, this
was delivered a couple of days ago. We haven't unboxed it. We wanted to do it together.
And we also have a knife now. ये घर का चाकू है vegetables काटने के लिए. We did not tell anyone in the house. We've grabbed this. Let's unbox it. I mean, let's use it and quickly replace it back. चलो, let's steer. Yeah. Oh shit. Flop.
So
yeah, now we can.
What is this?
This is a Bluetooth speaker. First, I mean, I'll cherish this. I'll cherish this moment for sure. This is our first sponsored product. This is a Bluetooth speaker from Zap. I'm sorry, I was in a hurry. I'm still learning to unbox stuff. So in the box you get user manual, few charging cables and an aux port, and the main Bluetooth speaker. This is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It is good. Yeah, I mean it's a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Let me just turn on and let's listen to the volume first. Cheap plastic. I hate plastic.
So just for a size comparison, I'm just putting another Bluetooth speaker which we have. This is the UE Boom 2, and as you see, they are pretty much of the same size.
This retails for 9,500 rupees approximately in Amazon, and this is the new speaker which we got. This is way lighter. Okay, this thing retails for 3,500 rupees. Okay, these are the volume controls on top. It's on max. Let me play some music. Free music. Quite decent, dude.
What are the controls it has got on it?
So the on and off switch is on the bottom, and this is for volume up and volume down, and doing this.
Nice.
Yeah, we have next song and previous song here built right there.
Nice.
Pause play bhi hai, just tap and play.
Cool.
So yeah, it's a decent speaker.
It's actually a very good speaker.
It's a very good decent speaker. Thank you Zap for sponsoring this for us. We also got a discount coupon. It's a 10% off on the speaker.
On all the products of this company on their website, we'll put the code and link to their we'll put a code and link to their website in the description box below. You can have a look. All the products which they sell with this coupon, you're going to get it 10% off. Kind of really happy for us, happy day. This is a new beginning, and thank you Zap for sending us over the product. And it actually sounds really well for what it costs. For 3,500 rupees, it sounds as good as our UE Boom, so which is 3 times the price. So thank you very much. Now coming back to the next product which we are going to unbox today, which is very important for our channel, and it is this.
And from now nothing has been purchased. I mean, nothing has been sponsored. I'm so sorry. This is purchased from our money. So we'll be biased to this. We are just unboxing it, and we'll be clipping onto the camera immediately, and after that we'll be getting on to the next unboxing. Okay, let's go. Let's get the knives out of mine. Okay, I'm very bad with these knives, dude. I realized. I don't want to take them. I'm not good at it. ढंग से बात करना नहीं आता था, अभी ढंग से बात कर रहा है और इतना कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, मतलब like doing some operation on that literally. खुल गया. Nice. This is the same one which Shriman has.
Yeah, it's the same one which Shriman has, Charan has, everybody has. And this was not the primary mic which is going to be used in our channel, which is going to be slightly different. But for now we are using this. It is a good mic, and dekho to samne. And the name of this thing is Rode is the company, Video Micro is the name of the microphone, and चाय के लिए बुला रहे हैं हमको. तो अभी you're gonna pause the video here, put the mic, come back, and you guys tell us if there's any difference in the audio quality. अभी तो घर पे है, it might not be that very different, but it will definitely be better to what it was for so many days. So see you in just a jiffy. So mic finally installed in our channel after ages. I know it's been pending, can't help it, lockdown, everything happened. Now we have the Rode, and you should be able to hear us now. No complaints, okay, anymore regarding audio when you're still.
No more wind noise.
No more wind noise. So be happy.
Initially we thought of buying a GorillaPod, but as we told you earlier, we sold many of our old products and we got 20,000 extra than we expected. So with that money, we got a gimbal instead of a tripod. It's not a fancy gimbal, but it's a gimbal. Right.
It's called, the brand issue, if I'm pronouncing it correct, that is
Zhiyun.
Weebill S. And the model name is
Weebill S.
Weebill S. It's got good reviews on all the platforms which we've seen and everywhere else. So let's jump into it.
Okay, let's unbox. I'm watching too much anime to do that. Arey yaar, I'm bad with this knife, dude. Yeah.
Babu.
Let me take that. Okay.
What is that? What is that?
Inside the cover, you get.
Wait.
This is a brochure, dude. A small brochure which goes along with this gimbal. We don't have all these. We only have the gimbal. We only have this. Okay, this is a service card. There's one. The servicing is in India as well. That's good.
Oh, obviously, Zoom India.
Hey, this is not a Chinese product. Hong Kong, macha.
Oh, sorry.
This is not a Chinese product. It's from Hong Kong. Yeah. Inside the box, you get batteries.
What batteries are these? Are these rechargeable?
No, these are single A batteries. Even if those are rechargeable, how can you recharge them? You don't have a case.
As it through this.
Wait, let me see.
Right.
Okay.
Do you get them?
Is a AAA battery, which you generally find them in your remote car, TV remotes. This is a AA battery. It's a most common battery. For example, you find them in gaming controller. Okay. Size comparison. Torch size comparison. So AAA, AA, and what the hell is this? Okay. What the hell is this? Okay, this is a gimbal, and
no way. This is like 3/4 of your face, dude.
Okay, you get batteries, you get a charging case for it, you get a mount, I don't know what. Wow, this thing looks solid. You get a tripod and it goes super low. You get the mounting bracket. You get few charging cables. Hope this thing is type C, dude. Hope this thing is type C. I really wish.
Yep, type C.
Okay, but I also have normal. Okay, no, type C. Okay, the bunch of cables, the many cables. It's I really like the packing. I mean, it's not fancy like our laptop, but it's everything is neat and tidy. And
no, for
the fact, and for the gimbal.
How heavy is it? First questions.
Okay.
Okay, and this is done. That is our gimbal.
This is our gimbal.
It has got a payload of 3.2 kilograms.
This is our new tripod. We'll try to calibrate it and we'll try to take few, slow motion shots, or we'll try to hold the camera using this. We have to calibrate the weight of the camera based on the gimbal. So for that, we'll take a couple of minutes and we'll come back to the video.
Couple of minutes नहीं बाबा. First time लगा रहे तो आधा घंटा लगेगा हमको. सच्ची में आप लोगों को you might do it fast. Next scene might be that, but हम लोगों को आधा घंटा 1 घंटा लगेगा करके आते हैं. जब तक bye.
2000 years later.
It took us exactly 1.5 hours to set the entire gimbal up.
Long process because we are not used to this. This is the first time we are doing it, so next time onwards it won't take as much time.
I found out one more thing. There's one more port here where I guess you have to connect through this port instead of the port which I connected from the
possibly.
So there are still many things to figure out.
Many things to learn about this.
So yeah, there are multiple modes which we can shoot the video in. Let's see how it goes. We'll learn everything. We've purchased everything at once.
Lot of expenditure.
Yeah.
And remember one more thing, guys. If you want any of the Zap products, product code and the website is in the description below. You'll get a 10% discount on all their products. You can go to their website and check them out.
Till then.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys. मेरे को सोना है यार जल्दी. सुबह 4 बजे उठ के I need to bloody go for a flight now. See, look at this shot which we are going to try, and then bye bye.